global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Concerned, and we're doing a lot of things. For example, the place where we shot, that is Madhya Pradesh, is one of the leading states in kind of taking a lot of very major steps towards women's menstrual hygiene. And we have been speaking to a lot of ministries. Yesterday, Maneka Gandhi had a screening for the Women and Child and Development Ministry, and a lot of the a lot of doctors, a lot of judges, a lot of women social activists were already there, and they spoke. They're so concerned about it's not so much as what they are trying to do. It is how difficult the task is, and the task is like Muruganandam always. I think he's the leading visionary in terms of ideas for everybody. All the government people should just consult with him, because all he says is, see, it is not money, it's not funds. It's I can make 50 times more machines. I can actually go to villages. I can give people a lot more employment. It is people don't even know why they have to use a pad. See, unless they know a need for this, what is the point in making it? See, affordability is, yes, it's an important issue. It has to be made affordable. First is awareness. Only if awareness is there, will they even think whether it's affordable or not. So this whole thing, I give you another example that I spoke to P&G. A lot of sanitary pad companies obviously wanted to tie up with a film like Batman, all the multinationals. I told them one very simple thing. I said, we would tie up with anybody and free of cost, no commercials discussed, as long as you can give a pad for 2 rupees. Match Muruga's price and I'll tie up with you. None of them could do it, because I feel that if you really want to kind of take treat it as a business, don't be philanthropic, treat it as a business. Expand your business. For expanding your business, should you be sampling it? For 1 year, if you give people at 2 rupees a pad, let them understand the necessity for pad. Go educate them, do that. No bigger market for anything except sanitary pads. Not only in India, in a lot of parts of the world. So even as business sense, it makes it makes a lot of business sense, because there's so many people waiting to get converted for something very, very good. And Maneka Gandhi told me another thing yesterday. He said, there is a lot of thing about this pads. We are doing a lot of things. She wanted to tie up with people like Muruganandam to kind of take it forward. Another issue is disposal of sanitary pads. People throw it into the lakes, rivers, and everything, which is very bad. It's like very bad ecological management of issues. So they've developed. There are entrepreneurs like Muruganandam who've developed incinerators for about say 9,000 rupees. A whole village. It's a pad incinerator. You don't have to throw it in your fire, because women have various issues of throwing it into the fire in which they're cooking their food. So various villages just contribute for 9,000 rupees lifelong, without any power, without anything. They can just incinerate the pads. So there are, like women toilets, there are pad incinerators being established in every village. I think the government is thinking a lot of steps ahead. I think it has always been an effort, but the task is so huge, and it's going to take time. But the more people who do it, the faster. So that's why when you make a film, what it simply does is, film is a very powerful medium in this country, and a commercial mainstream film, which is not only seen in festivals and by few critics and all this stuff. When you have Akshay Kumar playing a thing like that, it just makes up. So many people have the license to talk about it. I always believe no conversation is taboo. I just believe that people are willing to listen to you. They're only shy to talk about it. They're waiting for somebody else to talk so that they can talk immediately. A film is just that. It just gives a license to people to join in the conversation.
Does that
maintain that we're not in that business? In fact, I just believe if we can do everything to bring a pad price down, please do it. Don't give us any entertainment tax, because I believe, first of all, it makes very little sense, because
because then it would be available to a lot more people to see it, because otherwise, films are so expensive these days.
No, actually, what makes it difficult for people to see films is the lack of theatres. Not so much this thing. In a lot of areas where this is very relevant, there are no theatres, for people to see it. In a lot of small towns, you are seeing theatres in Bombay and Pune and everything in places like that. But what another idea is for a lot of foundations, and I think Ladli also can do it. Wherever you're going, we are willing to give you free DVDs of the film. After a couple of weeks, you can screen it to a lot of villages. They can enjoy an Akshay Kumar film absolutely free of cost, and take this ahead. So we're also talking about the government saying, this is not all the commercial enterprise. Of course, a film is important for commerce and everything, That's done. That will be done in the cities and everything. But after that, the value of the film is a lot more than just commerce.
Then exempting it from GST is not the problem.
This GST is just a much bandied word. Actually, if there was a calculation, simple thing, and Muruganandam also learnt about this GST. Actually, GST is very helpful for a lot of manufacturers of low-cost pads. It doesn't apply to them. You know, so actually their pads are cheaper, thanks to GST. It's taxed, for multinationals are taxed. Okay, but it's not that their prices are going to come down without GST. Those are the pads. So I think this GST has to be really understood. If you see some tables which finance people have kind of put it forward, it makes a lot of sense to have it there for the pads. So it's fancy to say that, hey, let's reduce the price, cut GST. I really think we need to understand before talking about GST. But yes, one thing has to be done. We have to reduce the cost of manufacturing of these pads. That's very different from GST.
See, all they want to do is help and try and further the cause of menstrual hygiene. But I always tell them one thing. The corporates, in fact, they've all been my clients at some point in time or the other.
So I don't think the corporates are an issue at all. Corporates are trying to help, but they have a structure, they have a cost structure, they have a business to kind of run. They are successful in what they're doing. There are enough people who can afford what they're trying to do. But they're not necessarily the solution for the problem that we have.
So we've got the government on our side, we've got the corporates on our side, and we've got a great success for Padman and all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So thank you to all our panelists. It was not just informative, I would say, but I think it instills a lot of hope in all of us.
Very grateful to Ladli and Population First because I think it's very rarely is there a film on such an important subject. There hasn't been actually any film on this important subject, and when a mainstream commercial cinema happens like this, for us all to get together and promote the cause, it is a phenomenal thing. I'm so glad for all the work Shahza and her team are doing at Ladli and Population First. It's incredible the amount of people working towards this cause.
और इसके अलावा जैसे पैनल में डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि मूवी की टिकट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, तो क्या टैक्स फ्री कराने के लिए मतलब कुछ आपने
टैक्स फ्री करने से मल्टीप्लेक्स में आपको कम नहीं होगा टिकट प्राइस, वो टैक्स फ्री है।
टिकट के प्राइसेस
No, it was screening for a lot of the United Nations women council there. That is what we wanted to sensitize.
What response you get from Smriti Irani and?
No, you're not going to. They're all human beings. Number one, you're looking at a cause. You're trying to tell. They're all helping. The government is doing a lot towards this cause. A lot of people are doing a lot. United Nations Women's Wing is doing a hell of a lot, and it's so surprising that when you do a film on a topic, you know the number of people who are concerned in the world. You know, I think that is what is so great doing a film like this. You're not trying to figure out who's going to help you. You're trying to figure out who all are trying to help people in this for this cause. That is what is wonderful.
Okay, today Padman sector is also been on a bid for audition, for auction. So what do you like to say?
You can talk also. You want to audition it, you can do it. And turn like this.
For the auction, when you got the idea?
Actually, he came up with the idea to do it, and we said it's a fantastic thing. And all causes, all social stuff needs funds. And and I want to do a lot more. I want to see also what are the parts of Padman once the film takes off, is released in the theatre, how much we can help with what we can kind of auction, because people are, hungry for merchandise from films. It can go towards a good cause rather than, what are they going to do? Otherwise, just lie around.
So what do you like to say about the all-woman gesture of all the girls and the story they have told about it?
It's incredible. It's fantastic. There are a group of girls who, in whose villages or somewhere, they're not even a theatre, right? They are talking about menstrual hygiene so boldly. I really loved it when we were supposed to hold a pad. One girl said, open my handbag there, pick out that pad. I defy any of the socially progressive women who are walking in Cuff Parade and Colaba to do that thing. To say, open the pad and just do that. That is, Actually, I have great hope. I think the future of India lies in the places that theatres don't reach.
So from Bollywood, all celebrities supported your film. They have promoted your film, like Anil Kapoor, Rajkumar. What do you want to say?
No, it is not promoting. Actually, they're not trying to promote a film. What they're all trying to do is, they've all got a chance to promote a cause. The film happens to be about that cause. Nobody's saying Padman, Padman, Padman. People are saying Pad, Pad, Pad. I think it's the only chance you'll get. How else will the Bollywood industry get together and promote a cause unless it's for a film? You know, so they've promoted the cause of a pad. There is nothing wrong in holding a pad.
Sir, recently
If you get a chance to show film his kindness to Narendra Modi, will you show, sir?
He does not have time to see a film. A film is 2.5 hours. I mean, he can do a lot of very good things, wonderful things without seeing the film.
सर अच्छे सर अभी रिसेंटली कहा था कि सैनिटरी पैड्स को फ्री कर देना चाहिए रूरल एरियाज में देखा जाए तो भी लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ स्टेप्स आए नहीं है तो सर क्या
कैसे आएगा यार मैजिक है क्या है रूरल एरियाज मतलब कितना है you know there's a cost
लेकिन काफी प्रॉब्लम से देखा जाए तो इन एरियाज में और ये
everybody saying the whole story of the film is about a man who tried to do that वही कर रहे हैं how do you go to the rural areas how do you make women start a business how do you give them employment how do you kind of self patch their employment picture देखो पता चलेगा it's a very difficult task one man has spent his whole life सुबह उठ के फ्री करेंगे पैड कैसे होगा who's going to buy who's going to make it who's going to fund it
नेक्स्ट इशू क्या होगा सर पैड बंद के बाद बहुत सारी समस्याएं महिलाओं में
No, I think there is a lot of this thing, but I think first you take one issue, like Muruganandam has taken one issue for his life and done a whole, dedicated his life to that issue. I'm sure that if he can make more films which are entertaining, meaningful, we'll try and do it.
जी जी शारदा जी क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस विषय पे आज के
नहीं मैं आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द मूवी जैसे बाल्की साहब ने कहा कि ये एक इशू के बारे में है और ये इशू जो हर औरत की ज़िंदगी में कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करता है और हम इसके बारे में ओपनली किसी से भी बात नहीं कर पाते हैं और एक चीज़ है जिसके ऊपर ज़्यादा डिस्कशन नहीं हुई ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं हुआ है इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू नो dispensing the vending machines or the sanitary pads, affordable sanitary pads और उसका जो disposal है उसके लिए जितना काम होना चाहिए उतना नहीं हुआ है मुझे लगता है कि जो रेस्पॉन्स बाल्की सर ने को मिला है वो इसलिए है कि हम सब इसके बारे में सोचते रहे और इसके बारे में बात करना चाहते थे मगर कभी हमें एक मौका नहीं मिला कि इसको एक इशू के तौर पे बात करने का अब ये फिल्म हमें एक मौका दिया है कि हम इसके बारे में खुले तौर से बात कर सक रहे हैं तो एंड इट इज़ समथिंग मुझे लगता है कि हर आदमी को इसके बारे में जानना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जो सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए औरतों को और अगर टैबूज को और हमें स्टिग्मा को भी कम करना है तो एक कॉन्वर्सेशन फैमिली के लेवल पे होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और इसमें पुरुषों की भागीदारी बहुत ज़रूरी है
बल्कि सर आखिरी सवाल चलते चलते फिल्म अब लगने वाली है कल लगने वाली है क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
First, please bid. I request everybody to bid for the cycle at bidcards.com. All the proceeds can go towards Ladli and Population Film for all the work they're doing. Film, I hope you enjoy the film tomorrow. It's an entertaining film, it's a fun film, which of course makes conversation about pads a lot easier. But it's not a preachy film, it's not a documentary, it's a full-on commercial, entertaining love story. So please go see it, enjoy yourself.
एक और सवाल सर चलते चलते कुछ महिलाएं हैं जो इसका ये नहीं कर रही विरोध भी कर रही हैं कि जो महिलाओं की अंदर की बात थी वो बाहर ला दिए सिनेमा में ला दिए जो छुप के किया जाता था
That's the biggest problem. छुप के बहुत कुछ scary things होता है मतलब you know there are things of hygiene that nobody wants to speak about. Silently people are getting diseases, silently people are falling ill like you said the doctor kind of just spoke about. Always there will always be problems because that's how this has become a problem. By people remaining silent is why this has become a problem. These are topics that should never be silent. Yeah, you don't have to shout in the world that you're getting your periods, but you have to be free to talk about it. They are sensitive topics, but they must be spoken about because a lot of people are not aware of the dangers they're living in.
मैं इसके बारे में एक चीज़ कहना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि जब एक औरत को अलग बिठाया जाता है पीरियड्स के टाइम में, पूरी दुनिया को पता चलती है कि उसको पीरियड्स हो रहे हैं, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग। मगर हम ये कह रहे थे पीरियड्स इज़ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, तो उसको एक्सेप्ट करके नॉर्मलाइज करने की ज़रूरत है. सो दैट इज़ द मैसेज आई थिंक वी ऑल शुड कैरी विद अस.
Have you gotten any backlash for tackling a subject of this sort from any sort of entity? Like you mentioned, basically, have you
Not
personally
at all.
received
I
any
mean, I
backlash
have
or-
never found so much support in my
Exactly,
life.
yeah.
There is not a single person who has objected, even the most critical people on most issues of everything. Where be it any religion, any caste, any nobody.
Activists would normally sort of have a
Everybody has come
but
together. It is so.
together.
It's such a beautiful thing for the first time. Two people who have opposing views on something will come together on this issue. It's a great thing to happen.
तो सीमा छप्पन का हो गया सर.
No, film is not about that. The issue is different from film. Film will work only if it's entertaining. Film, if you like the film, film will work. If you don't like the film, film will work. Cause will work. Film and cause are two different things.
Sir, film special screening रखी गई थी, celebrities को, तो what appreciation you get?
You ask them, yeah. How will I tell you only how they like the film? It's embarrassing. Like you shoot a picture and say, you'll only say it's a great picture, you won't, na? I'll have to tell you.
फेस्टिवल सर्क्यूट, मगर पहली बार एक सोशल समस्या के ऊपर, एक सोशल इशू के ऊपर एक मेन स्ट्रीम हिंदी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाया गया है, यूजिंग द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एक्टर्स, and I think that is a big change, and I feel that this will give a lot more traction to the already happening action on this issue at the ground level. अभी बहुत सारे campaigns चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है इस विषय पर. ये फिल्म जो है वो सब काम के लिए एक ट्रैक्शन बोले तो मोमेंटम देगा और हमें और अच्छा काम करने की हौसला देगा.
आपको लगता है कि फिल्म जो है मतलब लोगों पर और ज़्यादा इफेक्ट डालेगा, क्योंकि जैसे लड़कियां अभी बात करना शुरू कर दिया, लगता है कि आपको जो छोटे शहरों में जो लड़कियां हैं वो भी बात करना शुरू करेंगी इस पर?
मुझे लड़कियां जो है वो बात करते हैं अपने अपने ग्रुप्स में, और उनके दिल में बहुत सारे चीज़ है कि बदलाव आना है, ये चीज़ बदलना है. मगर मुझे लगता है कि अगर थ्रू दिस फिल्म अगर लड़के भी इसके बारे में बात करना शुरू करें, पुरुष भी इसके बारे में बात करना शुरू करेंगे, तो बदलाव बहुत कुछ आ सकता है. क्योंकि घर में जो निर्णय लेते हैं कितने पैसे किस पे खर्च करना है, तो वो बात में भी अगर फ़र्क आती है. फैमिलीज आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने के लिए, सैनिटरी नैपकिन के लिए 100 रुपये या 50 रुपये हर महीना लड़के के ऊपर, 4 महिलाएं हैं तो 200 रुपये हो जाता है. वो भी सोचने की बात है. या अलग अलग जो इश्यूज़ है इसके बारे में अगर पुरुष भी एक औरतों के साथ मिलकर काम कर पाएंगे, तो वुमेन का जो मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ इश्यूज़ है वो कहीं हद तक एड्रेस किया जा सकता है. इससे जो बर्डन है वुमेन के ऊपर, जैसे डॉक्टर मैडम ने बताया कि बहुत सारा मॉर्बिडिटी जो है औरतों में बैड मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के वजह से होता है, तो हमें हाइजीन को बढ़ाने की कोशिश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. थैंक यू.
सगळं काय सांगितलं नव्हतं, फक्त एवढंच सांगितलं का मासिक पाळी ही दर महिन्याला येत असते आणि प्रत्येक स्त्रीला येत असते, परंतु ती काय येते कशी येते याच्याबद्दल मला तिने काही सांगितलं नव्हतं. पण नंतर जेव्हा पॉप्युलेशन फर्स्ट या संस्थेकडून ज्या मॅडम आमच्या गावाला येत होत्या, त्या प्रजनन लैंगिक आरोग्य याविषयी आम्हाला माहिती सांगत होत्या. त्यामध्येच मासिक पाळी हा एक भाग होता. तेव्हा त्यांनी सांगितलं की मासिक पाळी काय येते, कशासाठी येते, ती येऊन उपयोग काय आणि तिच्याने होणारा त्रास तुम्हाला कसा दूर होईल याची सगळी माहिती आम्हाला पॉप्युलेशन फर्स्ट या संस्थेने दिली. आणि त्यानंतर मग मी मला जे त्रास होत होते त्याबद्दल सुद्धा मी डॉक्टरांकडे गेली.
पूनम ने अभी हमको बताया कि पहली बार उसको. अच्छा, एक और सवाल है मेरा कि जैसे कभी आपने घर में, चाहे स्कूल में, चाहे किसी डॉक्टर या नर्स के साथ जो महामारी के साथ जुड़ी समस्याएं हैं, जैसे दर्द होता है, कमर दर्द होता है, पेट में दर्द होता है, इसके बारे में किसी से चर्चा की थी क्या?
मैंने की थी. मैं जो 10वीं क्लास में पढ़ रही थी ना, जेव्हा मी 10वीला शिकत होती तेव्हा त्याबद्दल सांगितलं आम्हाला. आणि जेव्हा त्या म्हणत होत्या ना का तुम्ही पुढे डॉक्टरकडे संपर्क साधू आपण, त्यानंतर मॅडम आम्ही दोघी गेलो डॉक्टरकडे. डॉक्टरना सांगितलं, डॉक्टर याच्यावर आम्हाला उपाय सुचवला आणि त्यांनी आम्हाला पूर्ण ट्रीटमेंट केली.
चेतना ने हमें बताया कि उसे थोड़ी समस्या थी मासिक धर्म से जुड़ी हुई, लेकिन ज्यादा वो किसी से चर्चा नहीं कर पाती थी. माँ को बताया तो माँ ने कहा कि ये तो ऐसे ही होता है, इसको सहना पड़ता है लड़कियों को. फिर उसने जब पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट के द्वारा वो क्लिनिक में गई और वहाँ डॉक्टरों से चर्चा की तो अब उसका इलाज हो रहा है और उसे काफी आराम है. अच्छा, आपके गांव में, तुमच्या गावामध्ये असे काही समजुती वगैरे, आपके गांव में कोई ऐसी समस्याएं, ऐसी समझ है महावारी से जुड़े हुए समजुती आहेत का अशा?
माझं नाव स्वप्नाली विखंडे. मी 7वीत असताना मला पहिल्यांदा मासिक पाळी आली. तेव्हा मी खूप लहान होती. मासिक पाळी म्हणजे काय हे समजणे इतकी माझ्यात समज नव्हती. मग जेव्हा मी आईला सांगितलं की मला असं झालंय, तेव्हा आईने मला सांगितलं की ती मासिक पाळी असते आणि ती दर महिन्याला येते, किंवा म्हणजे तिच्याबद्दल माहिती सांगितली, पण एवढी सुद्धा माहिती सांगितली नाही की मी माझी काळजी घेऊ शकते. जेव्हा मला मासिक पाळी यायची तेव्हा आई बोलायची की म्हणजे जे आमच्या गावातल्या प्रौढ स्त्री आहेत त्यांची अशी समज होती की मासिक पाळी आल्यानंतर देवाला हात लावायचा नाही, किंवा घरात जे घरगुती पापड मिरगुटी वगैरे लोणचे वगैरे जे तयार करतात त्यांना हात लावायचा नाही. तर हात का लावायचा नाही, तर ते खराब होतात म्हणून हात लावायचा नाही. तर आमच्या गावात मग मी समजलं की जाऊ दे, की असंच असेल की खराब होत असेल किंवा देवाला आवडत नसेल, मग आपण का करावं, मोठी माणसं आहेत, खरं सांगत असतील. मग आमच्या इथे पॉप्युलेशन फर्स्ट या संस्थेच्या काही महिलांनी आम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती दिली. ते आमच्या जेव्हा सत्र घ्यायच्या तेव्हा मी पहिले जायला नकार द्यायची की कशाला जायचं, आपल्या घरात आई आहे, काकी आहे, मावशी आहे, ती आपल्याला सांगते त्याच्याबद्दल, मग आपण हे काय वेगळं सांगणार आहे, तेच सांगणार आहेत. मग मी एक दिवशी माझ्या मैत्रिणीच्या सांगण्यावरून पहिल्यांदा गेली. तर तिने मला सांगितलं की मॅडम चांगली माहिती देतात, तू येऊन बघ, आवडत नसेल तर नको येऊ. मग मी पहिल्या दिवशी गेली तर मॅडमांनी मला भरपूर चांगली माहिती सांगितली. मग मी मॅडमांना असं सांगितलं की माझी आई बोलते की देवाला हात लावायचा नाही किंवा इतर वस्तूंना हात लावायचा नाही, ते खराब होतात. तर मॅडमांनी मला समजून सांगितलं की असं काही नसतंय. मग मी माझ्यात सुधारणा केली की मी एकदा देवाला हात लावून बघितला. जर देवाला हात लावून बघितल्यावर मला काही झालं नाही, मग मी सांगितलं आईला की जर मी हात लावून बघितलं मला काही होत नाही, मग तुम्हा सगळ्यांना का होत नाही.
स्वप्नाली ने तो बहुत अच्छी बात बताई हमें कि वो बहुत छोटी थी, 7वीं में थी जब उसको पहले मासिक धर्म आया, लेकिन उस समय कुछ खास जानकारी नहीं थी. घर के लोग कहते थे कि जब तुम इस स्थिति में हो तो तुम्हें अचार नहीं छूना है, पापड़ नहीं छूना है, भगवान को नहीं छूना है. तो उसे लगा बड़े लोग हैं, सही बात बता रहे होंगे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे उसके मन में सवाल उठने लगे. और फिर वो उस सत्र में भी गई जो पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के बारे में. तो वहाँ भी उसको पता, पहले वहाँ भी नहीं जाना चाहती थी, उसको लगा क्या बेकार है वहाँ जाना. फिर सहेली के साथ चली गई तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा, वहाँ ऐसी बातें बताई कि ये सब जो भ्रांतियाँ हैं सच नहीं है. तो फिर उसने सोचा कि मैं अपने आप कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखती हूँ. तो उसने घर आके भगवान को छू के देखा या दिया जलाया और उसको लगा कि कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मुझे. तो इस तरह से उसने अपने आप ही जो है वो भ्रांति दूर की और कोशिश की कि जो गलत प्रथा है उनको बदले.
मी अजून काहीतरी सांगू इच्छिते. मी कबड्डी खेळते, म्हणजे मी कबड्डी प्लेयर आहे. तर मी जेव्हा लहान होती, म्हणजे जेव्हा आम्हाला ह्या मॅडम शिकवायला येत नव्हत्या तेव्हाच्या आधीची गोष्ट, मला जेव्हा मासिक पाळी यायची तेव्हा मी कपडा यूज करायची. म्हणजे माझ्या घरच्यांनी तसं म्हणजे आईने सांगितलं होतं की कपडा यूज करायचा. सॅनिटरी पॅड बद्दल आम्हाला तेव्हा काही एवढी माहिती नव्हती. तर जेव्हा मी बाहेर खेळायला जायची कबड्डी तेव्हा मला खूप भीती वाटायची का जर कपडा सरकला किंवा डाग पडला, कोणी बघितलं तर काय होईल, याच्याबद्दल मग मी ती भीती मनात ठेवून खेळायची. पण आता मी कुठेही खेळायला गेली म्हणजे आमच्या मॅडमांनी सांगितलं की सॅनिटरी पॅड यूज करायचा. आम्हाला परवडत नाही पण तरी आम्ही आमचे जे इतर खर्च आहेत त्याच्यातून पैशांची बचत करून आम्ही सॅनिटरी पॅड विकत घेतो. आणि आता मी कुठेही मॅचला जायची गेली तर बिनधास्तपणे खेळते. काय सांगायचं.
क्या समस्याएं हैं, क्या रुकावट है और कोई और तरीके भी आप जानते हैं क्या जो स्वच्छ साफ सुथरे हो पैड के अलावा?
सैनिटरी पैड हम गाँव में काम करते हैं शाहपुर में. मेरा नाम संगीता है. शाहपुर में हम जब काम कर रहे हैं, मैं पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट की प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ, तब हमें ये पता चलता है कि सब लड़कियाँ सैनिटरी पैड यूज़ नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि हम कई ट्राइबल गांव में भी काम करते हैं और शाहपुर से विलेजेस बहुत दूर है. तो वहाँ पे हमने एक कपड़ा जो है कपड़ा से बने हुए सैनिटरी पैड खुद लड़कियों ने तैयार किए हैं. हमने उनको सिखा है, उन्होंने खुद वो पैड तैयार किया है. और हमने देखा था कि जो लड़कियां सैनिटरी पैड नहीं यूज़ करती वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाती है क्योंकि पूरा दिन स्कूल में जाना है तो कपड़ा यूज़ करेंगे तो उसको कहाँ रखेंगे, क्या करेंगे. तो ये वाला सैनिटरी पैड है, इसको इस तरह से तैयार किया है. ये ऐसे कपड़ा निकलता है और इसमें जब हमें ये यूज़ करना होता है, जब लड़कियां स्कूल जाती है तो ये कपड़ा इसमें डालते हैं और जब ये भर जाता है तो वो निकाल के दूसरा कपड़ा उसमें रख सकते हैं. तो पूरा दिन ये वाले कपड़ा सैनिटरी पैड भी लड़कियां यूज़ करती है. लेकिन ये पहले हम करते थे, अभी ये बहुत कम यूज़ हुआ है हमारा. जो लड़कियां घर पे रहती है वो लड़कियां ये यूज़ करती है. लेकिन अभी ज़्यादातर लड़कियां सैनिटरी पैड यूज़ करने लगी है क्योंकि जब हम बात करते थे लड़कियों से तो फेयर एंड लवली, लक्स साबुन जो भी दिखता था ऐड पे वो लड़कियां लाती थी. तो हम बोलते थे इससे अच्छा कि आप अपने सैनिटरी पैड यूज़ करो ताकि आप अच्छे से दिन भर स्कूल में जा सकती है. और दूसरी बात, हमने लड़कियों से बात करना ये शुरू किया कि जो लड़कियां कपड़ा यूज़ करती है उनको हमने बोला था कि आप डेटॉल की एक बॉटल जो कि लाएंगे तो कम से कम 1-1.5 साल तक वो बॉटल चलती है. तो गांव में लड़कियां अभी वो जो लड़कियां कपड़ा यूज़ करती है वो डेटॉल का यूज़ करना शुरू किया है. और हमारे गांव में लड़कियां पुराने कपड़े यूज़ करती थी जो पहले यूज़ किया, मम्मी की साड़ी या अपने घर के औरतों की साड़ियाँ यूज़ करती थी और साल तक वो कपड़ा यूज़ करती थी. मतलब इस बार का पीरियड हुआ तो उसको रख के वो साल तक उसको यूज़ करते थे. लेकिन अभी हमने उनके साथ में जो सत्र किए उसके बाद लड़कियां बस ये करती कि 3 बार ये यूज़ कर मतलब 3 महीने यूज़ कर सकती है, उसके बाद में दूसरे कपड़े यूज़ करना शुरू किया है. लेकिन अभी ज़्यादातर सैनिटरी पैड यूज़ करते हैं. और हाइजीन के बारे में बहुत मतलब लड़कियां अभी साफ़ सुथरी रहने लगी है और पैड यूज़ करने लगी है. और ये वाले कपड़े अगर वो कहीं भी सुखाने को डालेंगे तो वो अच्छे से सुखा सकते हैं, इसको पता नहीं चलता कि अरे ये क्या यूज़ किए हुए कपड़े हैं. इस तरह से अभी लड़कियां इसको धूप में सुखाने लगी है. पहले सब गांव की लड़कियां ये वाले कपड़े मतलब साइड में कहीं पे डाल के सुखाती थी, उसके ऊपर और कपड़े डालती थी. तो अभी ऐसा नहीं है, वो धूप में अच्छे से कपड़े सुखाती है. थैंक यू.
एक और चीज़ जानना चाहूँगी, जैसे सिर्फ इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है पैड्स का, उसको कहीं फेंकना भी होता है या नष्ट करना होता है, तो उसमें क्या समस्याएं आती है ये भी थोड़ा सा बताएं.
नमस्कार, मी मेघा किरपान. मला हे सांगायचे की आता गावामध्ये आपले आई वडील तर असतातच, आपली आजी पण असते. तर आजी सांगते की तुम्ही जे वापरता ते टाकून देतात तर ते म्हणजे कुठेही टाकू नका देऊ कारण त्याच्यावर सापाने किंवा विंचवाने दंश केला तर मुलं नाहीत असं त्यांचा गैरसमज आहे. तर असं काही नसतं आणि त्यांची विल्हेवाट आम्ही म्हणजे गावाकडे घराच्या पाठीमागे खूप मोठं आवर असतं, तिथे खड्डा खणून त्याच्यामध्ये टाकून पुरून घेतो जेणेकरून त्याची विल्हेवाट होईल. किंवा ते धुवून सुकून आणि जाळून टाकतो. पण मला असं वाटतं की सॅनिटरी पॅड ते वापरण्यासाठी आपल्या आरोग्यासाठी चांगले आहेत आणि ते वापरले पाहिजेत.
मेघा ने अभी बताया कि जो है वो घर के पिछवाड़े गड्ढा खोद के उसमें दबा देते हैं या फिर जला देते हैं. लेकिन उसके बारे में भी एक भ्रांति उसने बहुत मज़ेदार सुनाई कि उसकी दादी बताती थी कि अगर आपने ऐसे ही फेंक दिया खुले में और कोई सांप या बिच्छू आके उस पर डंक मारा तो फिर आपको आगे बच्चे नहीं होंगे या आपकी शादी जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम होगी, तो इसलिए अब तो वो लोग गाड़ देते हैं उनको।
मी काय सांगते, मला जेव्हा मासिक पाळी आलेली तेव्हा म्हणजे हास्याचे एक गोष्ट सारखेच आहे. तर मी काय करायची, कपडा यूज करायची, धुवायची आणि फेकून द्यायची, कुठे पण टाकून द्यायची. मला काही एवढं माहित नव्हतं. तर असंच आईने एकदा विचारलं की तू धुतलेले कपडे कुठे वाळत टाकतेस. मी म्हटलं वाळत कुठं टाकते मी, ते फेकून. तर आई म्हणाली की फेकून नाही द्यायचं, किंवा जर किड्याने किंवा विंचवाने दंश मारला तर पोरं नाही होणार असं म्हणायची. वाटलं खरंच की काय, सगळे कपडे वेचून आणले, वाळत टाकले, परत धुवून वाळत टाकले. म्हणजे असा पहिले समज होता, पण आपल्या मासिक पाळीचा आणि मुलं होण्याचा काही संबंधच नाहीये. टाकण्याचा सॉरी.
तो अभी लड़कियां समझ गई है कि चाहे शादीशुदा जिंदगी हो चाहे बच्चे हो ना, इसका कोई भी संबंध नहीं है डिस्पोजल से, कि कैसे फेंकते हैं वो सैनिटरी नैपकिन। एक और चीज लड़कियों से जानना चाहूंगी, क्या आप लोग पिक्चर देखते हैं? या ये जो अभी कार्यक्रम हमने आयोजित किया, आप जानते होंगे कि पैडमैन नाम की मूवी बनी है, जो जिंदगी में वास्तव में एक ऐसे आदमी हैं जिन्होंने ऐसी मशीनें बनाई जिससे सस्ते पैड बनाया जा सके, और अक्षय कुमार उनकी भूमिका निभा रहे हैं, बाल्की सर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो क्या आप ये मूवी देखना चाहोगे?
माझं नाव मोनिका. मला खूप आनंद झालेला आहे, कारण आतापर्यंत मासिक पाळी हा विषय असा होता की घराच्या उंबरठ्यापर्यंतच होता. तो चार चौघात चर्चा करण्यासारखा हा विषय नव्हता, पण आज हा चार चौघात बोलण्यासारखा विषय झाला आणि याच्यावर पिक्चर पण आला. हे ऐकून खूप आनंद झाला आणि हा पिक्चर एक जेंट्स काढतो याचा सगळ्यात जास्त आनंद झाला, कारण आम्ही मुलींना दुकानामधून पॅड आणायचे झाले ना, तर तिथला तो दुकानदार जेंट्स बघितला तरी घाबरायला व्हायचं. परंतु आज पॉप्युलेशन फाईटची जी संस्था आहे त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही गावाकडच्या मुली या विषयावर खुली चर्चा करू शकतो, कारण त्यांनी आम्हाला तेवढं स्ट्रॉंग केलेलं आहे. आणि आज दुकानामध्ये हळूहळू न बोलता आम्ही जोराने बोलतो, दादा विस्पर. ते खरंच म्हणजे का आतापर्यंत आपण एंटरटेनमेंटचे पिक्चर बघतो आणि आज हा आपला वैयक्तिक विषय का त्याच्यावर पिक्चर आला हे ऐकून खूप आनंद झाला. आणि अजूनही ज्यांच्या मनामध्ये काही गुढी असतील तर या पिक्चरवर निघून जातील असं मला वाटतं. आणि आम्हाला पण या पिक्चरमधून काहीतरी शिकायला मिळेल आणि मिळावं अशीच आमची इच्छा आहे. आणि त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी अशी गोष्ट की विस्पर आता ज्यांचे म्हणजे घरामध्ये पैशांची म्हणजे कमी आहे त्यांना विस्पर घ्यायला किंवा सॅनिटरी पॅड घ्यायला जमत नाही, कारण आदिवासी भागांमध्ये मुलींना खर्च करण्यासाठी पैसे कमी मिळतात आणि त्यातल्या त्यात जर या सॅनिटरी पॅड जसं निघालं तसं अजून काहीतरी त्यांच्या समस्यांचं निरसन करण्यासाठी काही नवीन आलं तर याचा आम्हाला जास्त आनंद होईल. कारण काही मुलींना मिळतंय काहींना नाही मिळत, कुठेतरी त्यांना तो कमीपणा होतो. कारण हा विषय एवढा छान आहे की म्हणजे की आतापर्यंत आम्ही गावाकडच्या मुली असून आम्हाला म्हणजे हा विषय बोलायला आम्ही घाबरायचो, परंतु आम्ही या चार चौकात या विषयावर बी फ्रँक बोलू शकतो, तेवढं आम्ही मजबूत झालेलो आहोत आता. थँक्यू.
मोनिका ने हमें बताया, बहुत बड़ी बात बोली है कि जो विषय घर की दहलीज के अंदर था वो अब दहलीज पार कर चुका है. और इससे भी बढ़कर ये बात कि एक आदमी ने ये पिक्चर बनाई, जो एक विषय था जिस पर बात भी नहीं होती थी खुलकर, तो इनको इस बात की भी खुशी है. फिर वो कहते थे कि जैसे हम लोग पहले दुकान जाते थे खरीदने तो छुपा के, और बात करने में हिचक होती थी, मांगने में हिचक होती थी, लेकिन अब पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट के सत्र अटेंड करने के बाद हम भी बोल्ड हो गए हैं और हम जोर से बोल देते हैं, दादा विस्पर दे दीजिए. तो अब उनको वो हिचक खत्म हो गई है, लेकिन फिर भी उसकी एक बात दर्ज करने महसूस होती है उनको, तो सबको ये उपलब्ध हो जाए सुविधा तो बहुत ही अच्छा।
मी या सगळ्यासाठी पॉप्युलेशन फर्स्ट या संस्थेचे सगळे कर्मचारी आणि हा पिक्चर काढणारे प्रोड्युसर आणि पॅडमॅनच्या भूमिकेत असलेले अक्षय कुमार यांचे सगळ्यांचे मनापासून आभार मानते. थँक्यू सो मच आम्हाला एवढी मदत केल्याबद्दल.
इधर ही हुए
Thank you.
We also have a small token of appreciation. Dr. Shardar, we also have small token of appreciation for the girls. I request.
आगे आ जाना भाई, आगे नहीं आगे मतलब
बल्कि सर एक निकाल के दिखाइए
बल्कि सर लेफ्ट में
बल्कि बल्कि सर एक पैड निकाल के देता
ये बाजू में था ये मांगिए ना। हाँ लोग सर सर
थैंक यू सर।
अरे बैठ
Only 55% girls believe that periods are normal. 88% of menstruating women in India use homegrown alternatives such as old fabric, rags, sand, ash, wood shavings, newspapers, dried leaves, hay and plastic. And among those who used cloth, 60% changed it only once a day.
The film actually started when Twinkle once met Mr. Arunachalam Muruganandam in some London conference. She came back and she told Akshay that we should make a movie on this. So Akshay called me and I went to them. For me, it was like I've known about Arunachalam Muruganandam. For me, I was always very scared to make a film on anybody's life. Forget what he did, because I was scared that whether I'd be able to do justice to his life. But what really kind of amazed me was, of course, his story, which I knew about. More importantly, it's the first film, mainstream commercial cinema, that could tackle a subject that nowhere in the world has been tackled on cinema. So that really kind of fascinated me because we began this journey 2 years ago. And okay, I told Akshay, let me think about it, let me write it, because and this is beginning of the journey. Twinkle then wrote a short story of his life. I was writing a script. So when we finished the thing, we had two versions, both were written simultaneously. We had two different adaptations of his life. It's a strange thing of one man's life having two different adaptations because both of us didn't know what we were writing. And this journey started, and really this happened when I first met Arunachal Pradhan. I was convinced I wanted to make a film on this man only after I met him, because the very first meeting, he told me something absolutely amazing. I went to his workshop in Coimbatore, and there he was, working with his machines. He was dirty, this full of grease and everything. He had his khaki pants, white shirt. He used to sign blank checkbooks, okay, blank checks and leave it in the corner. And I looked at him and said, and all his suppliers used to come, fill whatever amount they want, they take it and go. Okay, nobody would, there's no accountant, no bills, no nothing. So I asked him, I just looked at him there. He said, why are you surprised? What will they take? There's no money in the bank. Whatever there is, that's all they can take. Why waste money on accountant? Billing, accountant, bill book, all this thing. This is all money I have. He's a man, besides doing something, besides caring for women, besides caring for women's health, this is the man who is a businessman who became famous by not making money. You know, in business, you see a lot of social workers, you see a lot of revolutionaries, of course changing, doing great things, where money doesn't come into the picture. But here is an actual businessman who said his business model was all about not making money. Because if he made money, he wouldn't have a business. So try thinking of one man in the world who actually thinks of a business and to become famous in a business, not making money. That is amazing.
Some of you may be wondering who the other
थोड़ा मागे सरकार, थोड़ा मागे सरकार, थोड़ा मागे आ जाओ, थोड़ा मागे आ सर। देखो ऑल ऑफ यू both of yeah, look here. हाँ, okay, fine.
Now we look center.
Center, both of you. Hold 1 second here. Both of you hold it. Balki से यहाँ. Very much. Holding. Holding ना. Balki से right side here. Balki से straight. Balki से here right side. One more here sir. Balki से. Yeah, look here, all of you. No, one picture. One picture, sir. Yeah, look here. Sir, on your right.
Down your left side, please.
And all of you look straight.
Just wait 1 second here. Come now.
You're pulling out everybody.
Balki the right में.
ये आ गया अभी.
So we can share this.
Let's go on with Balki. The ladies and him.
No.
Thank you one for coming.
No, I don't want to.
त्या दोघांचा गेला सोलो थोड़ा मागे प्लीज थोड़ा शिफ्ट होन ये साइड प्लीज क्या लुक हियर आपण गेलो थोडा वेळ उभा आहे Excuse me.
After this one. This is Jay and he's asking.
Look here. Straight. All of you.
So we get the women or? Yes, I was saying.
Oh, like that.
Ma'am, your left side, please. Thank you so much. Now let Tommy there. Yeah.
स्टार्ट करें।
Thank you. Ma'am, इथे समोर. Sorry ma'am, समोर इथे.
Sorry ma'am, इथे. Straight. Sorry ma'am, right ma'am. One straight, one more look. Straight. Okay. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
So I'm the novice Aruna. I don't know much.
Somebody will ask something,
yeah.
Okay. Can we start with you? Can you tell us about why you've invited, about the IMC and why you've invited Mr. Bali?
Yes, I would love to. First of all, I want to be indebted to you for having chosen us to showcase this wonderful movie, which is to do with women. And IMC Ladies Wing has always been promoting causes for the welfare of women, no matter in which sphere it is. And what can be better than this movie? It has so many myriad, various things which have been showcased in the movie, what I've seen so far. It's just been a wonderful experience. I still have to finish it. Well,
okay, so only few hours are left for the release. So what's in your mind? Are you nervous, excited?
No, it's too long, yeah. Too long a time for the release. I'm not nervous or excited. I just want to get over fast.
Okay, Gautam, you have watched the movie yesterday, so how was the movie? Any reaction?
It's fantastic. I love it. I'm very proud of them. I'm very proud of my husband. And I'm very proud of the whole team. And bow to all the women who are appreciating this, the women who are in it, who have inspired it. I think hats off.
Already the star cast of the movies also are supporting the movie, holding the pen in their hand. So what do you like to say about it? The challenge that given us.
It's damn good thing. See, it's not a promotion. It's just a thing of saying that there's nothing wrong with the pad. Yeah, don't feel so shy about it. That's all they've all done. And with a cause like this, I think every human being will support it.
Okay. Now also people hesitate to talk about the kids and the taboo issues. So
Only problem is everybody else thinks everybody else is hesitant, but they're not hesitant. Okay, that's the beauty of this subject.
So, do you think after this movie they will talk freely about it?
You'll buy a pad for your sister or your...
Sure.
Done. Then it'll work.
सर 80% अभी भी देखा जाए तो इंडिया में सर सैनिटरी पैड के बारे में अवेयर नहीं है इन विलेजेस उसके इस मूवी के बाद में क्या अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगी और
ज़रूर बढ़ेगी एंड ऑल्सो वो हाइजीन के बारे में लोगों को समझ में आएंगे कि हाइजीन क्या होता है why a cloth is dangerous for health. That is the most important thing for people to understand. Pad is not fashion, pad is not lifestyle, pad is hygiene.
सर और राधिका आप्टे और सोनम मैम प्रमोशन में काफी कम दिख रही है कुछ खास रीजन
शूटिंग कर रहे हैं वो लोग
both of you, do you discuss projects with each other while you're beginning it, or I mean, what's
like? What else we talk about? Of course, अगर आपके घर में डॉक्टर है तो आप उसका यूज करेंगे ना कि अरे मेरा ये खरोच आया है तो एक फिल्मी घर है तो obviously
same. We were hearing that you're perhaps beginning a film with Sridevi soon with English.
This is Padman.
No, but
this is about Padman.
Is there something on cards?
No comments.
Thank you.
I'd like to say something. All the ladies from my IMC have already done a photo with the pad, and we've been promoting it, and we're extremely proud of it.
So lovely.
I'm really, really happy that we got this opportunity.
Wow,
Thank you so much, and we'll
moment.
carry on doing this absolutely without any issues. We'll be very happy.
Thank you.
Proud to do it.
May I please request you all to be seated for a few more moments? Please be seated. That means a lot to us. The ladies wing of the Indian Merchants Chambers this afternoon, very proud. Welcome to our ladies wing of the Indian Merchants Chambers. We are so happy to have you here. I'd like to ask you a few questions which have been passed around from everybody. Everybody wants to know a lot of things, but please streamline it to a bit. And do not really worry about answering my questions. Say whatever you feel. The title, Padman, in a commercial atmosphere where business is very important for a film, and it's really important, and I know how important titles are. How did you think of calling it something? I mean, it's a big chance, a big risk. How did you think of calling the film Padman?
people are so hesitant to talk about pads, I just thought that if you title a film called Padman, at least they'll have to say it 1,000 times, saying Padman's coming, Padman, bang, 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 bang. So they'll use the word a lot of times. But honestly, I think this is the first title that came to my head.
Oh, that's really amazing. The other thing I noticed is you are very, very sensitized and you're very, very informed. Yes, I do know a lot of the credit goes to Twinkle Khanna, who's written this, and being a woman, she's written the story, but the way you've taken it forward, the way you've taken situations and little reactions and all the tiny little things about women and presented it from a man's point of view, a macho man, Akshay Khanna's point of view, and you've made him portray Arunachalam Muruganan. Have I said it right?
Arunachalam Muruganandan.
Arunachalam Muruganandan. I need to say this name with great respect because this man has really, really jumped over hurdles to come ahead with whatever he's done. So I want to understand your take on it and how did you think of all those sensitized women situations?
I think a lot of the credit for this particular film goes to the man who's lived this life. That's Arunachalam Muruganandan. He's written the story of his life. This was a film that actually Twinkle just met him once in London and was very curious about doing a film. This was not a book written before the script. In fact, the script and the book were written at the same time, and both didn't have anything to do with each other. So we had two different adaptations of this man's life. But hats off to Twinkle for thinking of making a film on this person. And then we set about writing this film. I think the sensitization comes a lot from two things. One is the very man you're writing about. He has spent an entire life actually worrying about the health of a woman, of women. I mean, how can you be more sensitive than that? I mean, all sensitivity comes from there. So to me, the true writer, the maker, and everything about this film actually goes to Arunachalam Muruganandan. All the credit for this film goes to Arunachalam Muruganandan.
That's very gracious of you, but a lot of the credit comes to you too. Now, as a filmmaker, whenever anyone starts making even the tiniest of films, there is so much temptation from great talent within the industry, be it actors, be it performers, singers, writers, dance directors, and there's such a huge, huge abundance of talent in the industry. At any stage, did you get tempted to make the film a little bit more commercial with those songs and those item numbers and stuff?
You didn't find this commercial?
No, I found it very real. You know, I found it necessary real, just the way things are. There was nothing commercialized.
I had the biggest commercial element, which is Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
So
Other
I
than
didn't
that.
need to do any commercial thing with it. Because yes, he knew what he was getting into because I make certain kind of films. I have a certain language of making it. And I just believe that this is not a film, but one thing I was very clear about, that this is not a film intended for people who already know about it. This is not a film for people who visit film festivals and only want to kind of speak a certain language. This is a film that is intended to reach people who are not aware, who need to be sensitized, men and women, who need to be aware of such things, and therefore the film had to be done in a certain language. So if you see the emotions of this film, the setting of this film, the characters of this film, yes, they are, in terms of not the slapstick commercial variety or the loud masala variety, but they're still commercial in the sense that they are expressing their emotions loudly. They're not too subtle. They're not this thing. So the language has to reach the people it is intended for.
After watching this film and watching a lot of the promos and stuff just pre-release, I and a lot of people really understood that this is a special film. We all realize that we're going to watch something which is special, not just being women, just the fact that you took such a big challenge and you made something so different. At any stage, did you feel that you're making something for a purpose and for a cause, or was it a beautiful script?
I always looked at, when Twinkle first expressed, I think first hats off to her for thinking of making a movie, actually even thinking a tale like this, because she's not a filmmaker, she's not a producer. She thought of saying, hey, well, how about making a film on this person? That itself, very few people will do. For me then, writing it along with my writer Swanand Kirkire was a beautiful task because his life was a thriller. I keep telling Arunachalam Muruganandan, I mean, yours is as thrilling as it gets. Who can lead a life more thrilling than that? So for me, it was like just preserving packaging it in such a way it's a classic love story, presenting it as a love story, writing it in a way that is not exactly the way he did it, but 80% true and 20% fiction for commercial areas, for commercial purposes. So actually when he saw the film yesterday, I mean he saw it the day before yesterday in Delhi. It was so strange. I mean I'd gone into the theatre a little late and the
gun, and it was the interval time, and I didn't know who was sitting next to me. So there was some little sounds of fish, some tears kind of happening. You're always embarrassed to kind of look at the person next to you, and I don't know who it was. So the lights came on in the intervals. I was pretending not to notice here. I think I was looking at the screen. Interval came in. Next to me was Radhika Apte. I didn't know that. So she was sitting there, and she's like saying, "Halki, oh, thank God I cried." I was kind of controlling it, I can cry properly. So it was 4 seats down the road, and I saw Muruganandam. He just got up like that. He didn't know. He was just standing there, staring at the screen, and he turned. He didn't know I was there, so I just went there. So he had, I've never seen him crying. I just thought he was a very cool man. He says all these things. Had tears in his eyes, and just hugged. For me, that was the most special moment throughout the journey of this film. Because imagine making a film on the life of a man and getting that person to see it, watching his own life. I don't think there will be a bigger experience for a filmmaker than that. To me, that was truly, truly the biggest moment of this film.
Did Akshay meet him before he portrayed this role?
Yeah, of course. See, Akshay is, we all know Akshay is a great star. We all know he's a good actor. But I think he's a magnificent actor. And I'll tell you why he is a magnificent actor. Most people make a lot of fuss about, theories of acting, schools of acting, intellectualized cinema. He doesn't do anything. That's why he's a lot like Murugan. He just keeps on doing. He doesn't, talk about it. Doesn't fact. To me, Akshay's greatest contribution, greatest talent, lies in, when you do a biopic on a person, it's very tempting for an actor to study his body language, to see how he talks, how he walks, how he dresses. He didn't do any of that. He just listened to Murugan. He just listened to what kind of a character he was, what kind of a human being he was, captured the soul of that character, and actually has portrayed Muruganandam in Akshay Kumar's style, but captured the essence of the character. That very few actors can do. Most actors are fantastic at, capturing body languages of people. He didn't do that.
You've answered the question before I asked you, but half of it. This is a very south concept, Muruganandam has been from the south, and they do think a lot differently. They're also a lot more educated. In the north of India, these things are really, really very, very taboo. Did you find it very difficult to bridge that gap, making him a North Indian guy? I know Akshay playing the role must have worked a lot, but there's a lot of a difference between the two parts of India.
See, I think somewhere making this film, all of us behave like Muruganandam. We didn't think too much. We just went with Akshay Kumar, okay, he has to be something, which is a nice place. Producer said by Anil Naidu, my producer said Ujjain. So we went to Ujjain. It was not so beautiful. So Swaran was from Indore, that territory. So he said, let's go to one other place. So we went to another place, didn't like it. So on the way, we were disillusioned coming in. There's a place called Maheshwar. Let's see that. So we saw that, loved it. We sat there, wrote it, and we shot the film there. It's one of those kind of things. So this North Indian, South Indian thing. I'm a Tamilian myself, but I write my own Hindi in a very bad way with a lot of grammatical mistakes. My wife laughs at me a lot of times. But the one thing I answer this question to all people who think somebody belongs to the South or North is actually a lot of India is very similar. A lot of emotions are very similar. A lot of villages are very similar. And I always tell people, imagine Akshay Kumar sitting in Coimbatore, speaking with the panchayat, arguing with the panchayat, arguing with all the grandmothers or grandmothers in Hindi. Would you laugh at it? I said, yeah, correct. All the people who said, why aren't you setting it in South India? All the South Indian, patriots, all those people. So I just told them it's a cause which is much bigger than where you're talking, what you're talking.
There again, you're eating up my questions. I can't even ask you. I wanted to ask you exactly this, that making the film, it's a baby, it's a filmmaker's baby. So how much of the cause was, what percent of the cause was as important as the rest of the script and the film? I'm coming out a little wrong because you just answered it. But I'd like you to elaborate on that. This is a cause and it's a film that you've made. So how much of that did you feel is what you're going to be happier with the results? What did you want to see better?
So I never calibrated that way because I don't think a film is a message delivering medium. It's an entertainment medium. If people are not engaged, entertained, or touched, or something, it needs to engage them. You don't have to always laugh. Crying sometimes is great entertainment too. So crying, laughing, everything, as long as it engages, I'm fine. Messages have to engage you. Message has to be woven into entertainment. It can't be. I never saw this as a cause film. I just saw it as a really interesting story. Of course, you've got to be sensitive because it is something which is a very sensitive topic. And thank God Gauri was with me saying, no, not that, no, don't do that, don't do this. So little touches here, there, saying how much you can go, how much you can't go. So I'm very sensitive. I'm very glad that the both are filmmakers and you understood exactly what I can go wrong in. So
that's again wonderful. Now we have a few people who've requested some questions. Bharti, are you here? Madhurita?
My initial reaction was no, because I'm very scared to kind of make a film on a person's life. I've always been, I've never done it. I like manufacturing stories, then I can do what I want. There's nobody to question me. But when you do a thing on a person's life, it's a little thing. So I told Akshay, okay, let me just think about it. But I was really confident, but the only reason which motivated me to even go meet Muruganandam was the fact that there's been no film done on this before in the world anywhere, a commercial mainstream film done like this. So I said, this is a great opportunity. So when I met him, he told me when I just met him, I just fell in love with him because what a mind. He didn't remind me of the course. His way of thinking is so wonderful. I went to his workshop in Coimbatore. It was this bigger workshop, different thing. He's wearing some khaki pants and white shirt. He's signing blank checks, okay, and leaving it on a table there. He has no accountant, no finance guy. Various suppliers of his come and fill their amounts, take it and go, okay. So I said, sir, aren't you scared? He said, there's no money in the bank. That's all there is in the bank. What they'll take? So he said, it'll take me more money to pay on accountant. Then might as well take this stuff. He thinks like that. You know, he's a man, he came to his workshop, he was working with his machines. Then we were going to the airport. He said, I'll come with you. I have to give a lecture to PSG Engineering College. So he got into the car, same pant, same trouser, full of stains on his thing. So I looked at him, sir, should you be wearing black like me? Better enough for you. He said, no, I should be wearing white. He says, what is the point in working in a workshop? People don't know about it. Let them see, the stains. Why do people come in clean clothes after working so hard? What's the point? So his way of thinking is so like on small issues in life. I found that tremendously inspiring. So I am truly inspired by that man.
Ladies, any other questions?
I just want to bring. Does it work?
Down, underneath.
Mr. Balki, besides congratulating you for this amazing movie, I would like everybody to remember we actually had Indian Merchants Chamber Ladies Wing, had International Women's Day, and we had ink people talking, and he was one of our guests who came and spoke about it. I never thought a movie would be taken, and the way he spoke English, I don't know if anybody remembers this, and it was exactly like how it is portrayed by you. Fantastic. So we met him, we had him for International Women's Day, and I never thought a movie could be taken and such a beautiful message could go around. Hearty congratulations. This is not a question, but a great tribute to you.
Ladies? So I'd like to ask you one more thing. This is definitely a different kind. As you mentioned, it's a commercial film with a social message. So is this a kind of a turning point in the kind of movies you're going to make, or is this one-off?
No. The turning point happened in the first film that you make. You never turn after that. You just keep doing whatever ideas you come by. I mean, if you look at whether I've done Chini Kampa, Shamitab Kienka, or produced English Gauri, all the films that we choose, I think both of us kind of have one thing in common, like it needs to be a subject that really makes us feel that we need to spend 2 years behind that particular film. So that's what motivates us to make a film. I don't think it's about a certain kind of cinema that I would make. I never think I'm making a social message film, ever. Because once you do that, you're really overestimating the power of a film. I don't think you can.
That's absolutely wonderful to know. Now I'd like to invite Vivek on stage. Ladies and a couple of gentlemen who I can see. Vivek is the CEO of Sony Pictures, who's backed film and who's here with us today. So can I have another mic, please? He's been telling him, guiding him about the rights and wrongs. There's another mic. Welcome, Gauri. This is amazing.
Thank you.
There is so much of a woman's point of view. There's just so much of a woman's point of view. I know Balki is very, very aware and he understands those things too. But thank you for your contribution, which has been a bit. But I'd like to know a little bit more of what you where you steered him a little, where things were going a bit wrong. There's always sensitive things that, a guy cannot answer. Just give us a few things that you felt were very, very necessary. I'd love to take all the credit for whatever he does, but that's not the truth, unfortunately. And I'm so proud, actually, that it's
the men who are sort of heralding this. You know, Akshay, Balki, Vivek, you know, it's amazing that men have come together to do this. And I think sometimes it's nice to take a back seat and watch men do something for women. And we should probably not judge and let them just do. And I think they have it in them to do it. So I think we should let the good men come out and do this. And I think a big clap for all these guys.
Thank you.
And yes, I do have some contribution in my sensitized.
That's what we want to know. What are the little tips? What are the little
it's really
pieces of
nothing.
advice?
It's just about, it's very personal, which is something any of us would like, okay, you know, I would feel a little awkward if it went that way. Yes, I'm really open and I can talk about menstruation and pads, which even for me, I'm saying this on a mic, like, you know, it's rare. We don't do that other than with just our girlfriends and stuff. But so if I felt a little awkward about something and I felt this is going, that's all I said, that I feel a little like this. So it's just that, nothing else. And I think he had it all already.
I'd like to, from all of us at the Ladies Wing, Akshay and Tina are not here, Akshay and Twinkle are not here, but Twinkle has been very keen to know everyone's feedback and she's really, really excited that we could show the film, and Akshay, I think, just needs the hugest hug. He's really been amazing. I'd like to invite Nayanthara ji back on stage, please, and our cinema committee, so we can wrap up this wonderful afternoon. He has been formed, a little new, more because it's a very strong and a powerful medium to spread social messages of awareness.
Yeah, look straight, all of you. Thank you.
A tiny token of, you're going nowhere. It's a tiny token of our appreciation. And you cannot go, that's the exit pass for you.
Let's look here.
Appreciation. Thank you so much. And wish you all the best. So once I can see this man, I know so well, it's all teary and emotional, which I'm so happy to see.
Just give me a small chance, because I must really thank Vivek Krishnani, to whom we have, he just wanted a platform and he said, where can I get a platform where all ladies are there to sensitize this issue. And I said, which better than our IMC Ladies Wing? And our president very graciously said yes, and he brought it forward. We are so happy that you men are here. Thank you. Thank you.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.